Hey everyone, it's Alex from Handmade Ironworks here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a mistake on your metal. As you can see here, I was making a pair of railroad spike tongs from Ken's Custom Ironworks, and there I ground it way too thin to try and make this fit. So I'm going to be taking a welder and weld back all this material and be much carefuler when I'm grinding on this, and so I don't grind it too thin here. Hey guys, I'm back, and now I have this thing fixed up. As you can see, it was super thin before. Now it's got excess of metal on it, and all I have to do is kind of Dremel out the inside there just to get off those little couple beads. And I did do enough grinding, you know, over here to make sure it fit with its partner. And while I had the welder out, I welded myself together a nice little twisting wrench. I just used one of my really old crescent wrenches. It doesn't close all the way, but most metal, I don't need it to be super thin, and so this wrench was pretty garbage, other than for big things. So now you can see it works. It always had kind of worked, but that's about as small as it goes, and most of my stock isn't much smaller, so should work. And this isn't coming apart anytime in the future, and so I have a nice little twisting wrench. Alright guys, I'm in my shop right now, just the inside workbench. As you can see, this is the railroad spike tongs. I haven't riveted them together yet. I'll put a picture at the end of the video when they're all riveted together. But you can see they fit together like that, and they close together. They open quite a fair bit. And it just kind of squeezes a tong, or not a tong. It squeezes a rail spike in there pretty nicely, as you can see. And with a rivet in there, it'll actually be pushed up a little bit more, and so you can actually get a firm grip on it. But it fits a spike pretty well. And I did say they were from Ken's Custom Ironworks, but I didn't actually get them from Ken's Custom Ironworks. I saw their design and I just cut it out on some metal quick, just because I had it laying around and I had a bunch of extra time and I don't have too much money. So I made myself this pair, and that's kind of why I had this problem here. I'm sure if you buy them from Ken's Custom Ironworks, you'll have you know, a really good design, and it won't have any problems like this. But this was just kind of my replication of what they have. I'll drop a link below to the website where you can actually buy a pair if you'd like to purchase one. And before I leave, I just want to show my big pile of railroad spikes. You can buy them on eBay or Amazon or some other online website, and just get a whole bunch of high carbon ones for making knives. These I didn't actually order online. My grandpa had a couple, and so some of them are kind of, you know, not very good. But if you order them from online, you'll get much nicer, you know, fully shaped spikes. All right, hey everybody. So I'm out in my forge, and I got these finally riveted together. They're looking good, and they hold a railroad spike. Fell off my anvil, but I'll show you how well they work. So put them in, hold them like that, isn't going anywhere, and they don't look pretty, but they do the job, and it's exactly what I need from them. So that's my railroad spike tongs. Thank you everybody for watching. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think of them. Another clarification, these are inspired by Ken's Custom Ironworks. They're not from him. That's why I had this minor, major mess up. Let's be real here. So, thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.